My name is Ava Mazaheri, and I work in the ergonomics department in R&D here, where my research focuses around reaction force exposure. So I look at the force exposures from our tools on the tool users. So I studied biomedical engineering at KTH, where ergonomics is a subdomain within that field. The easy version of my research project would be something like investigating how we can develop products and tools in particular that do not harm the users of the products. So ideally, work should not compromise your health. I would say that everything that we do is about, whether it's research or other R&D activities or anything else, it's about helping our customers fulfill their goals. So research is one means of doing that. So I hope that with my research, we can get a little bit closer to, together with the customers, lay the foundation for a more sustainable production environment. I enjoy doing research at Atlas Copco because it is a large multinational company with a huge network of customers, which for a researcher means access to a lot of data and information grounded in real-world needs. The long-term goal of my research project is to at least contribute to laying a foundation for recommendations regarding ergonomics for the assembly industry. Going to work should not compromise your health, and that's what we are working towards.